So this is the footage where we see the American Amkir drone got hit by a missile from the Yemeni Houthis. Here we see the footage. This is just released, and the American will investigate the accuracy, if this is accurate or not. The Americans have not commented yet. They said they lost one drone. They didn't say it was struck. They are investigating. So we have the footage now. We have this one also. This is just in. Israeli ship was attacked in the Red Sea. So this is ongoing now, this stuff. So yesterday we had a British ship. It was struck and it sank. It was sinking. I don't know if it was rescued or not. The Houthi rebels are increasing their attacks. Yesterday, a British ship was struck and the American drone was struck as well. Today is the Israeli ship which is struck.
Targeting commercial shipping since the outbreak of the conflict between Israel and
Hamas,
said they hit the cargo ship Ruby Mar in the Gulf Stream. The ship suffered catastrophic damage and came to a complete halt. Houthi spokesperson 🀭IsraelI said on social media. As a result of the extensive damage the ship suffered, it is now at risk of potential sinking in the Gulf of Aden. The Houthis had also shot down a 𝀭IsraelI drone in the port city of Aden. He said the police flagged British registered and Lebanese operated general cargo ship came under attack in the
the Israeli ships to go through. This is very terrible for Israel, America, and their allies, countries. They cannot stop the Houthi. And Houthi can also put mines in the Red Sea, so no ship will ever pass through. So this is very, very dangerous. Hopefully they deal with the situation. Not like the ideal, because it's not giving any result. It's just getting worse. So that's what people do. See? That was yesterday, 1 day ago.
So this still to happen. So
yeah. So I will be posting all the new news. We have today again Israeli ship attacked 𝀭IsraelI. That's all.